Nabad, happening, ilahu kuluchoga. Don't panic. God is with you.
Episode 4, Following Jesus, Expect Trouble, Expect Resurrection, the unpopular truth. You see, let's be honest, this is the part some people tend to skip because it's tough. If you thought life was tricky before, following Jesus doesn't make it any easier. It often makes things harder. Jesus never promised a smooth ride. What he did promise, that it would be worth it. So, expect trouble like Jesus. Jesus the Messiah himself warned us, "You will be hated by everyone because of me, but the one who stands firm to the end will be saved." You can find this at Matthew 10:22. He didn't sugarcoat it, right? You heard it from himself. If Jesus was mocked and misunderstood and rejected, his followers should expect the same. Living like him, choosing to love over hate, humility over pride, and trust over comfort, puts you at odds with the world. Take a look at his disciples. Nearly all of them were beaten, imprisoned, or even killed because they refused to stop following Jesus. Paul, one of the greatest missionaries, he was stoned, he went shipwrecked and locked up. Why? Because the world doesn't like the message of Jesus the Messiah. You ask yourself, then why should I follow Jesus if it's hard? You see, here's the other side of the story. Expect resurrection like Jesus. Yes, Jesus suffered, but he didn't stay in the grave. He resurrected and changed everything. Even in suffering, you're never alone. You see, God is with you, giving you strength, giving you peace and assurance that no hardship can never be taken away from you. In this world, you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world. You can find this at John 16:33. Hardship doesn't have the final say. Jesus the Messiah does. Your true home is with God. Everything in this world, pain, struggle, even death, it is temporary. Your home isn't here. Jesus the Messiah promises a future where there is no more sorrow, no more suffering, just life, joy, and a perfect peace with him. This is what makes following Jesus worth it. Not that it's easy, but it's leading somewhere greater. So, stand firm, walk with hope. Here's the challenge for you today. Expect challenge. When you face opposition, don't be surprised. Jesus the Messiah said it would happen. Then remember who wins. Jesus the Messiah overcame sin and death, and through him, you will too. Keep going. No matter what comes your way, hold to this fact that Jesus the Messiah loves you and he promised you eternal life. You see, the universe is great, but God's love is even greater. And nothing, no trouble, no suffering can separate you from Jesus. If you have any questions, doubts, or comments, please write them down below. We'd love to hear from you.